Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, let's go over the Centrifuge monthly update, and we'll also go over how you can provide the liquidity, the CFG in OMNIPOOL, that's in the HydraDX. And so recently, Centrifuge, they released the monthly summary, and from the summary you will see a lot of important and interesting information. For example, some key metrics. TVL by end of June, they have more than $211 million, and out of it, Polkadot has 111 million. RWA market has 4.2 million, and also the assets repaid in June is 7.04 million. Total token holders is more than 46,000. So that's a big achievement. Congratulations. The ecosystem side, they have a lot of events, like in June they have RWA Summit launch. They also participated the Polkadot Decoded conference, and with a link I attended. It's really interesting, you should check. They also have a lot of newsletter. The community, the founder Lucas shared his personal Centrifuge in Q2 recap. They have the POP information center. They have the Centrifuge cheat sheet. I like it, thanks Jack. And you can check all the information from that cheat sheet. Also, they have some governance going on with all the highlights and links of the Centrifuge governance. And don't forget to claim your POAP NFT if you participate. Now let's check the CFG in HydraDX. So go to the HydraDX. You can now send your CFG to the HydraDX. So I'm going to select Centrifuge to the HydraDX. Right now I don't have many CFG that I can transfer, but that's because I vote. So it's locked. I can unlock that easily. So I can just click this button. There is a clear expired democracy locks. So just click that, sign, and you should get it unlocked. And I have some CFG now. So as a demo, I will just put 100 to show you how it works. And so you can send the CFG to HydraDX. Once you send it to HydraDX, the cool thing is that you can provide single assets. You don't need to provide the LP in HydraDX. And this single asset will earn you the LP fees. It's around 0.25%. And so I will put 99.9 to keep some as the fees, the gas fees. So I submit that. Now I provide some liquidity in the HydraDX, and you can see that right now. And I can earn some actual fees because right now the CFG, you actually don't have the staking or other utility. And so this would be the first one, but there will be more in the near future. So I'm going to show you and we'll keep you updated. All right, so that's all for today's video. How did you feel about Centrifuge? How did you think about the CFG in HydraDX? Did you want to provide the liquidity in HydraDX and earn some actual fees? So please leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.